Our cat does in fact play fetch. Let me just get this.
Doesn't like being watched.
Alright, I'll put it down there. Okay, there it is. His butt. Bring it back. And then he throws it. I'll see if I can get that captured next time. Oh, he likes to play catch. But he also likes to play with it. Comes cat. Now he's sat on the evidence.
You're a cute Phil. Oh, I love this. I love this.
Alright, let's see it again. Alright, drop it. Yeah. Drops it like it's hot. Try it again. Here. You get it from your angle this time.
You are so funny. We have a dog.
Is it showing up well?
Oh my god, he's hilarious. You are so funny, Phil. Are you a dog? I think you're a dog.
Got it in his paw, picks it up, put it in his mouth. Here it comes.
Let me play with it a little first. Okay, we're done.
Alright, game over.
Little Phil, you played so well. You're a great fetcher. Yeah. You're awesome, Phil. You're awesome, my boy. And we didn't even have to teach you that, huh? Oh, you're such a good boy. You too, Munchkin. Alright, bye guys. Merry Christmas.